Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy stocks using TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to TradingView website. After you are in the website, make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard. You can open the charts of any company. Click on Super Charts. Now, in order to buy stocks, you will need to first connect a broker. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the trading panel option. Click on it. If you scroll down, you can see the list of brokers that you can connect to. TradingView supports multiple brokers, so you can choose your preferred one. For now, I'll select paper trading. Click on Connect. Once you connect your brokerage account, make sure your account is funded to proceed with purchasing stocks. Now, let's find the stocks to buy. Here at the top left corner, you can see the search bar. Click on it. In the search bar, you can type in the name of the stock symbol or company name you're interested in. For example, I'll search for the stock of Adidas. Click on the stock from the results to open its chart. Here you can see various technical indicators, price movements, and historical data. So before making a purchase, it's very important to analyze the stock. Once you analyze everything and you decided to buy, you can click on the buy button at the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see this blue button. From here you can buy the stocks, so click on it. It will open a trading page. You need to connect to a broker in order to do this trading. Here in the auto window, you can specify the number of shares you want to buy. You can check other metrics too. And once done, you can click on this buy button to buy the stock. You need to have enough amount in your brokerage account. And that's it. That's how you can buy stocks on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.